Watch this video to the end if you want to get to learn on how to use my 1 minute scalping strategy in the market and get to make money for yourself, because after several years of trading in the market, I came to discover that the only reason why I was losing a lot of money in the market was because I was not using the 1 minute time frame in the market to get my entries in the market and get to make money from the market, guys. And when I went back and started using the 1 minute time frame in the market, I started seeing results like this, and also this in the market. And from then my life has changed and everything has been going well for me, guys. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how to actually do the same thing and get to make money from the market, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also don't forget to tell your friends about the channel so they can get to trade and get to make money with us also. If you haven't joined the Telegram community also, don't forget to do what? Click the link in the description and get to join our Telegram community so we can get to trade there also and get to make money for ourselves, guys. See you on the other side after the video, guys. So let's get into the chart. Let me get to show you how this 1 minute strategy works in the market and how to get the 1 minute strategy in the market, because you're not going to get into the market and start trading the 1 minute time frame immediately. But there's a pattern or process that will help you in getting these entries on the 1 minute time frame in the market, guys. So let's get into the chart. Let me get to hold you and get to show you this so you can get to learn and get to make money from the market also, guys. See you on the chart now.
Alright guys, so just like what I said before, this is our 1 minute time frame in the market. We're not going to get our entries in this 1 minute time frame immediately because there's a process to everything, and if you get to miss any process, you get to lose money in the market. And that's why a lot of traders get to lose money in the market, because they get to skip these steps and think that getting to the 1 minute time frame to get entries we help them in making a lot of money in the market, and at the end of everything they get to lose their money and they keep on blaming the brokers for taking their money instead of trying to get better and get to know what's happening in the market and get to know what to do in case things like that gets to happen in the market again. So on our M1 time frame right now, this is gold in the market, this is SAU USD, whatever you get to call it in the market, but this is just gold. So right now on this chart now, I'm going to show you on how to actually get a 1 minute time frame in the market and get to make money for yourself. So the first step is go to your daily time frame and get to know the overall trend of the market for that day, because if you do this mistake, you get to lose a lot of money in the market and you get to blame yourself for getting into the wrong time frame, and from there you get to lose money in the market, guys. So the first step is go to the daily time frame. Just let it up enter right now. So on this time frame now, what is the market doing? That's the first question that should come to your mind. And now that I've seen that on this market, you can see that the market has been bullish for a very long time. If you check very well, gold has been very bullish for a very long time. This is not a strategy for gold, but this is something that you can use on both crypto, volatilities, and every other asset in the market in order to make money from the market, guys. So on this market now, you can see what we have gold in the market, and on this gold asset now, you can see what the market is doing. The market has been bullish for a very long time. That is the overall trend of the market right now. So you're going to mark out areas whereby you expect the market to drop back to, if at all the market is going to drop back to, and you get to confirm if at all the market is still going to go to the upside, but you're not going to get interest around this side. So the first step is get to check out areas whereby the market has tested already. Just like the way we have this place in the market has tested this part already. The market has also given us some kind of rejections around the side, and this is another strong rejection in the market. So we have what now? We have an entry point in this market. So the entry point is this side whereby we have this first rejection in this market, because that's the most valid area whereby we can see right now, and there's no retest around the side. Even though we have this fair value gap candle in this place, we're not going to use that for now. So we're going to place our horizontal line around this side. Let me get to bring it out so I can get to place it there so you can get to see also. Alright, so I'm placing my horizontal line around this side now. So right now that I've placed my horizontal line in the market in this place, we're going to go back to our H4 time frame. That's the second step in the market, because if you get to miss any of this step, you get to lose money. I'm very serious about this. So right now on our H4 time frame, this is what's going to happen in the market. On this market now, we're going to check out for another places whereby the market has tested already in order for us to get the main move that will push the market to the upside. So around this side now, this market has tested itself already. This is a retest around this side to confirm that this area has been taken already. And also this is another place whereby the market has to break former structure and get to form a new structure. Then from there the market now started rising toward the upside, and this retest the confirmation that this area is a very strong area in the market. So we're not going to expect the market to come back to this place again. You can see how things are going in the market right now. We're going to expect the market to do what? Come around this side whereby we have gotten a retest around this point already, and this place is looking like an area whereby the market should come around and get to touch again or test again. Then from there we get to rise to the upside again. So instead of us to leave our horizontal line around this side now, you're going to drag it towards this part, because this place is the next area where we expect the market to get back to, and from there we get to rise to the upside again. So I'm going to drag my horizontal line right now. I'm going to push it towards this side now. So around this side now, which is the next place where we expect the market to get back to, our horizontal line has been placed around the side. So the next step now is to go to the H1 time frame in the market, which is the 1 hour time frame in the market, and on this time frame we get to check out for confirmations also. But the major thing that you should keep in mind also is that the major places where we get strong confirmations are the H4 time frames in the market. That's where we get to see places whereby if at all the market gets to retest around, the movement is going to be stronger compared to other lower time frames like the H1, M30 and M15 in the market, then M5, M1 for your entries in the market. So right now on these, look at what I'm going to do in the market now. So on this market now, we have found out that this place is going to be tested again. We're going to check out for areas whereby the market hasn't really tested. Then from there we expect the market to get to break those places. Then from there the market now come back to this place. So right now on this asset now, you can see that around this place the market didn't get a proper retest around this side. So from this place now the market just came, got some kind of funny retest, and from there the market started rising to the upside again. Around this side the market didn't get to get a proper retest around this side, but the market came, broke this place again, got some kind of retest around this side. Then from there the market is still rising to the upside. So right now we expect the market to do what? Get to break this structure in this place. Then from there the market now come back around the side, get a retest. Then from there the market now start rising to the upside. So right now look at what we're gonna do in the market right now. We're gonna go back to our M30 time frame in the market and get to find out places whereby the market hasn't tested on the lower time frame right now, and get to check out if at all this place whereby we're expecting the market to get back to is gonna be as valid as we think in the market. Because everything about trading is probability, and you have to make sure that your calculations are very right in the market in order for you to get to win anything in the market, guys. So we're going to tap on our M30 time frame in the market right now, and on this M30 time frame, look what is going to happen in the market right now. So around this side now, look how the market is doing. The market is rising in a continuational pattern, and with this continuational pattern, what are we going to expect in this market? Do we still expect the market to get back to this place, or do we expect the market to continue rising using these continuational patterns in the market? That's the second question in our heart. But right now that we have known that the market is expected to come back around this side, then we get the proper retest. Then from there the market now continue rising towards the upside. Looking at the things that are happening on the lower time frame right now, which is our M30 time frame in the market, we're going to check out for places whereby the market has tested already and get to know if you can get some interest in the market and get to make money for ourselves. So around this side now, this area has been confirmed in the market. This under retest towards the side, confirmed in the market. So I'm going to drag our horizontal line to this part that has been confirmed in the market right now, because we're trying to be a scalper. We're trying to make money by scalping the market and get to make something reasonable for ourselves, guys. So around these sides have been tested in the market already. So around this side also, this is another area where we have a pin back candle in this place, and the market came around that place, got to break it, getting to tell us that this place has been confirmed already in the market. And from there the market now started rising to the upside. The market rose toward the upside, broke the structure on this side. Then after breaking this structure, the market came back, got a retest around this side also. So this is another confirmation point in the market. So we're going to drag our horizontal line right now to this place. So from this place now, we're going to drag it to this place, which is this part in the market right now. So right now that we're expecting the market to get back on the side, what do we expect in this market? Let's get to our M15 time frame. Let me get to show you right now. So now M15 time frame in the market, this is like a place where we're expecting the market to come back to. Just like the way you can see also, you can see that there's a confirmation around this side. This place has been confirmed already. And what I'm expecting right now is the market dropping from this side. If at all we get to drop again towards this side, and from this side we get to rise to the upside again, because I expect this market to come and get a retest right now due to the rejections around this side. This is a sign of weakness in terms of the strength of the bias in the market. So expect the market to drop from this side towards this side now, and from here we get to rise towards the upside. So we're gonna go to our M5 time frame in the market now. Then from our M5 time frame in the market, we get to get our entry on our M1 time frame in the market. So on our M5 time frame in the market right now, this was gonna happen in the market. Look at this market now. We see the market trying to drop toward the downside again. Then from there we get to enter the market and get to make money. But right now we're not going to enter the market directly. We're going to wait for the market to do what? Get some kind of confirmations around the side, getting to break this place. Then after the market has broken on this place, we get the confirmation around the side. Then if we get the confirmation around the side, we go to our M1 time frame in the market and get to enter around this side in the market. So around this side now is our entry point in the market. So if at all the market gets to this place, all we're gonna do is get to start kill off trade around this side. Then from this side we get to enter the market and get to make money in the market. So our area of expectation in this market is this point, whereby we got our proper confirmation on our M15 time frame in the market, which is the strongest time frame to use when it comes to the lower time frame, in order for you to get your proper confirmation and get to gain interest in the market. Once the market gets back to this place, we get to enter our M1 time frame in the market. Then from our M1 time frame, we get to make our entries first before any other person gets to enter the market. So if at all the market gets back to this place now on our M1 time frame in the market, so now M1 time frame right now, this is our entry point, and once the market gets to this place, we start stacking in a lot of trade in the market, and we gotta use this place as our stop loss area in the market, because if at all the market goes below this place, we get to lose money in the market, or probably we get to use this structure as our stop loss area in the market, because that's the major structure in this M1 time frame in the market. So around this side now, if we get to lose in this market, we get to lose money in the market, and from there we get to lose little amount of money. But if we get to enter around this side, we still get to make crazy amount of money and get to rise from this side toward the upside again, clearing all these places, breaking this structure around this side. So that's how this works in the market. If this structure is taken out, it's gonna be a lot of money in the market for us. Let's get to confirm it. Let's get to check out how much we're gonna make if at all this goes well in the market for us, guys. So let's get to check how much we might make in the market if the move gets to happen in the market. So on this market now, if the market gets back to this place, let's use this stuff that we use in checking how much we're gonna make in the market to check it out. Alright, for instance, we bought around the side, and this other point still becomes our take profit in the market. You can see that from this place to this point is about $118 in the market, man. That's crazy, and that's a whole lot of money for us if we get to enter this market, guys. And if at all we get to lose, for instance, we lose around the side, let me drag it down a little bit. Alright, for instance, we get to lose around the side. This is about how much? $14 in the market. If we expand it a little bit, you get to lose like $19 in the market to make 118 in the market. The risk to reward ratio is very good, and this is M1 time frame. Within some few minutes, you get to see that the market has smashed your take profit, and that's all, guys. So that's how to trade the market using your M1 time frame in the market. M1 is just for sniper interest in the market, and from there you get to enter the market and get to make money in the market. And the M1 time frame is also another good time frame when it comes to you getting to risk very low amount of money in the market and expecting something huge in the market. So on this market now, imagine risking 19 to make 119 in the market, or probably 120 in the market. But still on that, we're still going to make crazy figures in the market due to the fact that our risk is very, very low and our reward is very, very high. So that's all about this M1 strategy in the market. Let's get back to the main video. Let me get to conclude, guys.
That's all you need to know on how to use my 1 minute strategy in the market. Do it to hit that subscribe button, do it to like the video, and do it to tell your friends about the channel so they can get to watch also and get to make money for themselves, guys. See you in my next video. See you in the Telegram community also. Peace and love.